We'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs Desktop to enhance your streaming experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs Desktop on your computer. Once it's launched, you'll see a dashboard with various options. To get started, you need to log in with your streaming platform account, like Twitch or YouTube. Click on the Login button at the top right and select your platform. Authorize Streamlabs to access your account, and once you're logged in, you can start setting up your stream. In the main window, you'll notice Scenes and Sources on the left. Scenes are like different layouts for your stream, and sources are the elements you add within those scenes, like your webcam or game capture. To add a new scene, click the plus icon in the Scenes panel and give it a name. Then, in the Sources panel, click the plus icon to add a source. You'll see options like display capture, game capture, or video capture device for your webcam. Select the source you want, adjust the settings to fit your needs, and position it within the preview window. Make sure to select the appropriate settings based on your internet connection and computer specifications. When you're ready to go live, click on the Go Live button at the bottom right. Choose your stream title and category, then confirm to start streaming. With Streamlabs Desktop, you have powerful tools to elevate your streaming game. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.